I haven't, a little moquito. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am skipping all the way to the holidays. I'm gonna go buy my tree. It's the beginning of November and I'm already ready to put up all the Christmas decorations and all the holiday vibes. I am so excited for today's video because I'm gonna be showing you a classic easy holiday makeup with two looks. So I'm gonna go more neutral for my neutral girls and bold for my bold girls. I'm both. I can do either or. And the most exciting part of this video for me is the Dominique Cosmetics reveal. I am launching two holiday lip kits on DominiqueCosmetics.com. It's going to be, I'm so excited, I'm actually wearing the red one. It's going to be a red lip kit and a nude lip kit. They're gonna be $28 each. They're each gonna come with Creamy Fill and Define lip liner. This is the Heat of the Moment collection and our gloss. And I love this blue red shade because it's gonna look good on almost every skin tone. So I'm really excited for you guys to try it. You can go matte with the lip pencil or you can add a gloss to it like I did and go glossy. So you have two choices in here. And we have our nude collection, which is another favorite. And this is called In a Daze. It comes with a lip liner, which is like a pinky nude, and a clear gloss with silver shimmer in it. And this shimmer on its own is so beautiful. I'm gonna swatch everything on my lip, get to see what it looks like. But I also have an option for you guys to get the bundle, and that's both lip kits together for $45. And you get a really pretty organza bag. It's our first ever shopping tote. I think it's so beautiful. I'm so proud of it. And it also has our core quote on it, which is "You're beautiful inside and out." I am really excited for this bag. You're gonna get it for free if you get the bundle. It's basically, the bundle's like 20% off, which is awesome. And the quote for this launch is going to be "Leave a little sparkle wherever you go." And that basically means to leave somebody feeling better than what they were before after they finish seeing you. So it's a little reminder for you guys. And I love the lips. I'm so proud of the packaging. It's a great stocking stuffer. It has a little hook right here. You can hang it on the tree if you want. It's really cute. I hope you guys love it. And to celebrate the launch, I wanted you guys to celebrate with me. So this time I'm doing 3 Dom Fam mystery box winners. And who knows, you might get the lip kits, the bundle, I don't know. It's a mystery. I do these Dom Fam mystery boxes every week. They're just random boxes from me to you. You never know what you're gonna get. And if you wanna enter to win the Dom Fam mystery box, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram right here and comment in this video, hashtag Dom Fam mystery box, your IG handle so I can DM you if you win. And also let me know which one of the lip kits you most likely would wear. Like, which girl are you? I'm both. It just depends on my mood. And if you want to know who won the last Dom Fam mystery box, make sure to go to my Instagram stories. I always post them every week when I post these videos. So you can go right now and see who won and just check it out. I'm also showing you my go-to classic holiday makeup. So if you want to see how I got this look right here with the 2 lip options, make sure to keep watching. But before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom Fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. I'm so happy to sit in my therapeutic space and just do my makeup. You don't understand how crazy it's been. There are recently fires around where I live and I had to evacuate. Everything was safe. It was like a few miles away, but still, like, it affected our area and the air quality. And we went away for a little bit, and I'm just so happy to be back because I feel like I haven't done my makeup in so long. A little moquito. I need some hydration in my skin. You know, I have that dry skin, so I'm gonna take some primer. It's always so soothing, especially if you have irritated, red, dry skin. It's the best feeling. Put some on my neck because it's like skincare, really. I love this. I'm gonna take the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation in Hazelnut Beige and just take a little bit of that because it is very full coverage. So just take a little drop, put some on my beauty blender. I actually tanned a little bit so I can feel a little normal. Ooh, I am very pale in the face compared to my neck and my body. I'm just gonna work that in, make it even. I'm gonna go over it with the Makeup Forever Reboot because I love that healthy glow that it gives you. Just gonna layer that on top. It's very light and it doesn't really give you too much coverage. It just makes your skin look healthy. All right, so now that we have the even base, I'm gonna move on to the eyes. So I'm gonna put on my lashes first. I've been putting on my eyelashes before my eye makeup, and I love how my makeup's been coming out, so I've been doing that. This eyelash glue, by the way, is so amazing. This is the Velour Lash Glue, and it doesn't get stuck and clump in your lashes for days like a lot of lash glue does to my lashes, and it holds the lash in place really, really well. So lashes I'm gonna be using are the Too Faced Better Than Sex Natural Flirt Lash. I like that it has like this flare to it. So I'm gonna pop those on. When I get to the edge, I like to just push the lash up a little bit so that it flares out your eye and it sits upright. So I'll just like press this area up so it sits straight up, and it makes your lashes look so much more lifted. So now the lashes are on, I'm basically done. I'm gonna do something classic. So I'm gonna take Caramel from the Latte palette, take the shade, and just run it through the crease. And kind of like a cat or fox eye. I like this style for my eye shape. So whatever eyeshadow look I do, I typically just go and do this fox eye contour to my eye so that my eye naturally just looks so much more lifted. If you have or feel like you have more of a droopy eye, it really helps lift it. So I've been doing this with, no matter what colors I'm doing, I always just pop that on right there, even if I have no eyeshadow on. I'm just gonna add a little down here for a natural depth. So I'm gonna go in with this brown right here. It's called Fickle Fate, and I just dug my nail in it. That is my life. I'm gonna take Fickle Fate and a little bit of Cult Classic, and I'm just gonna work that in the crease. This is called the Crease Blur Brush. I like that it's thinner so you can really get into the precise area that you want, and I just want it to flow through here a little deeper. Then I'm gonna take Enigma. Ooh, this is a really pretty taupey bone color right here. Actually a little bit more gray than I want, but let's try it out. So I'm gonna take Cult Classic and Fickle Fate, those two. And this is actually a brush that I found off of Amazon. It's super, super affordable. And then I'm just gonna map out my liner with this brush. This is gonna be my first transition layer. And then I'm gonna take this side right here. It's like a smudger. Just soften out the edges of that liner. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a deeper shade. This is Drama Mama. Drama Mama, that's cute. So I'm gonna take this brown right here. I know the glue is kind of showing right now. It's like a transparent thing there that you can see. I'm gonna put liner over that, so don't worry about that. That's gonna be cleaned up, because I'm looking at it now, I'm like, ooh, I better tell you guys. So I'm just gonna keep layering that on and then softening it out. And it's gonna have like a really nice backdrop. So it's not gonna be just a flat black liner. It'll be more dimensional. So I'm gonna take Rock Bottom, which is this black. I'm gonna pick up the blade brush because it's tiny. You can get really precise with it. Take that and pop that over. I'm going into the Latte palette. I'm using Mocha with a slanted shadow brush and going right over the top of the black liner so we have more of that drop shadow effect, and really smoking that out. And then for the bottom, I'm just gonna leave that the way it is. I'm gonna go into the Latte palette. I'm gonna take this shade right here. This is Café con Leche. I like this under my eyes, but it also is a really nice skin tone for me as a brightener. So I'm gonna go right over all of this. I feel like the color from the ColourPop palette, the first color I put down from the ColourPop palette, it was a little bit too gray, so this is going to neutralize that a little bit more. I'm gonna go in with Frothy on my brow bone and then bring that shadow down, just blend it into the other shades. I'm gonna take Frappe on the brow bone too. Just on the center, not all over the brow bone. And add some mascara. So that is pretty much the eye look. I'm gonna do my contour and bronze really quick, and then we'll move on to the lips. I'm gonna pop on a little bit of cream blush. I'm gonna take some bronzer and warm up my cheeks. Add a little bit of skin gloss. This is Copper Light, which is one of the deepest shades, which actually is so nice and sheer. This adds that natural, healthy glow to your skin so it doesn't look too mattifying if you have dry skin like me. Now for the fun part, the lips. We're launching 2 lip kits. One of them is red. This is the Heat of the Moment collection. It has our Creamy Fill and Define lip liner and our lip gloss balm. Notice the silver glitter running through the cap in the vial to give it more of a festive vibe, but I think it's super, super cute, and the DC inside usually is rose gold, but here it is silver and reflective and pretty. And then we have our nude lip kit, which is called In a Daze. It has our nude lip liner and a clear gloss with really pretty soft little silver shimmers through it. Pretty much just like the cap in the vial. It's very, very pretty and wearable. So I wanted to have a neutral and a bold lip so you can really switch it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what this is gonna look like on my lips. I'm gonna swatch them both. So I'm gonna do the lip liner first, the In a Daze lip liner. Then I'm gonna add the clear silver shimmer gloss on top. It is truly a clear gloss and it has a nice, ooh, it smells so good. It's our same scent that we have in all of our glosses and our liquid lips. It's like a vanilla angel food cake kind of a scent. And it's truly clear. I wanted it to be nice and hydrating, super clear so you can wear it alone or on top of any color. It'll just make it pop with those silver glitters. It's not like super glittery, but it's like a nice soft shimmer. I actually want to take it off for you guys so you can see what it looks like without anything underneath it. Here's the gloss on its own. So it's a true clear gloss with soft silver glitter. It's gorgeous, I love. Now I'm gonna use the bold color, Heat of the Moment. I'm gonna swatch the gloss for you guys first so you can see what that looks like on its own. The shade of this red is just so easy to wear too. And I'm gonna show you what the lip liner looks like on its own. I like to switch it over to the really precise side, that tip, and fill it in. Now I'm gonna put the gloss on over the top so you can see what it looks like together as a family, and it fits so perfectly together. This is no shimmer in it, it's just a nice gloss. And Heat of the Moment is just, the name explains itself. It's a holiday kind of vibe. So you have two options. You can go more matte or glossy, and you can get more pigmented or a little softer. You have so many options with these two. Those two lip kits were the reveal of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so excited for you guys to get your hands on these lip kits, and especially our new bag. It's so pretty, and I'm so proud of this bag. You're beautiful inside and out, which is what we stand for. What we're about is beauty starts from within first. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Helps this channel a lot. And if you haven't checked out these two videos on the side, make sure to check them out because they are waiting for you. And that's pretty much it. I love you guys so much. And before you leave, your motivational message from me to you today is going to be what our holiday kit says, and that is leave a little sparkle wherever you go. And that basically to me means leave somebody feeling better than what they felt before. And that's pretty much it. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, dollies.